What's up, guys? I'm finally teaching my origami fireworks flasher. I was gonna try to teach it on July 4th, but for many reasons I wasn't able to do that. I'm not gonna talk about it in this video, but this is how it works. And the reason why I call it fireworks flasher is just because it looks like a firework. I mean, it's just a basic flasher, but like squeezed in. So yeah, if you want to know how to fold it, then let's continue. Alright, so for this model, I'm going to use 6-inch square kami. Begin white side up and fold in half. We're going to make an 8x8 grid. Unfold and fold up to that crease. Unfold, rotate, and fold up to that same crease that you just folded up to. And unfold. Now fold up to that crease that you just made. And then fold up to here. And unfold, rotate, and do that all on this side. Unfold, and fold to here. And unfold. Now rotate, we're going to do that all again on this side so we get a successful 8x8 grid. Okay, now we have our 8x8 grid. Now we're going to make it into a 7x7 by folding this flap up and this flap up. And now we're going to crease diagonally all the way. Whoops. That part's really thick. Alright, and do that on this side too. And unfold. Okay, now right here we made X in the center, so now we know where the center is, but we're going to reverse those right here, so just grab them and crease them, so now they're mountains on white side. So it's like that. Okay, now we're going to fold this point up to here, but we're only going to crease from the center over. And we have that diagonal crease to help you. So just fold from that crease all the way over. Like that. Do that on all 4 sides. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to go right here, and we're going to make a diagonal crease from here to here. Like that. And now we're going to reverse that crease and that crease. So let's go under. And now they're mountain folds on the white side. So it's like this. And then when you collapse it, it should go up like this. And this part is going to be a mountain like that. And this is going to go up like that. And it's going to collapse like this. And now, all we have to do is just lift this up. And we're going to make a crease right there and a crease right there. So you can just go under. So it's like this. Now when you collapse this, again I'm going to show you it. This goes in like that. This goes like that. Going to push that down, and this is going to go like that. But this crease right here is going to do absolutely nothing. So it should look like this. Basically a modified flasher. Now we have to do this on these 3 sides. So let's do that all over again. After I do this one, I'm just going to show you it, but then I'm going to fast forward the other two. If I can remember to do that in the editing. So this is what it should look like when you have two connected, like that. So it should be like this. Alright, now I'm going to fast forward. Alright, and here we have, well actually we're not done yet. Okay, so here we have, somebody actually commented this and told me that this is actually just a simple chaos flasher. The chaos flasher is one of my own original models. So now we have the simple chaos flasher, but if you want it to be the fireworks flasher, all you have to do is simply push it together like this. And now you're just going to fold this right here, like that. Fold this over, like that. And then just do that multiple times to exercise it out. And there you have it, the Origami fireworks flasher. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that model. If you want to check out my Plus channel, then click right here, where you can get exclusive sneak peeks at models. And that's all I have to say. Peace out. Goodbye.